Let's get straight to it. This is a 2010 Audi A4 2.0. And today I'm going to show you how to change your ignition coils and where they're located. First thing you want to do is come to the trunk and disconnect the negative battery terminal. You're going to have to remove the spare tire. We're going to go ahead and pull this cover off. Just easily pulls up and off. And now you can see your ignition coils. There's 4 of them. This is a unique style of harness. There's just one 10mm bolt here, and once you get that off, you'll be able to slide off all 4 harnesses at one time from the ignition coils. So I'm going to go ahead and get that bolt off. That's a 10mm bolt. So once they're all pulled back, I'm only going to show one on camera because they're all pretty much the same process. So I'm going to show this one here. So once it's pulled back, just get a good grip on that ignition coil and kind of work it on up. All right, just like that. So this is your ignition coil here. So we got the ignition coil out. It's time to put our ignition coil in, whether it's a new one or the same one that you took out. Just put your ignition coil straight down. Just press it until it's down on that spark plug. Make sure all the other ones are firmly down. And once you're sure they're all secure, you can go ahead and start to align our plugs to where they're all pretty much going on. And then one by one, you want to work them on a little bit at a time for them to go all the way on to the ignition coils. Sometimes it can be a pain. All right, now that they're all nice and snug, we can go ahead and put our bolt back in. Go ahead and put our cover back on. Make sure it's down on those mounts. And once your cover is on, make sure you reconnect that negative battery terminal, and that's pretty much it. And that wraps up changing your ignition coil and location on a 2010 Audi A4 2.0. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.